Welcome students. Before going to solve exercise 8.2, we will see some of the relations, that is formulas we will see, standard angle formulas we will see. See, for example, let us consider a triangle ABC which is right angled at B. So now here if A angle is equal to 45 degree, okay, so this is 90 degree we know because it is right angled at B. If A is equal to 45 degree, that is sine of 45 degree. So how to calculate this one? So that one we have assumed this as A and this as A, and after that we have calculated AC is equal to square root of A square plus A square, that is equal to 2A square, okay, that is equal to A into root 2. So this will become A root 2. So once we know all the sides length, so we can calculate that is sine 45. For example, sine 45 is equal to, so opposite formula will be opposite divided by hypotenuse. So opposite is A divided by A root 2. So A cancel, this will be equal to 1 by root 2. So sine 45 is equal to 1 by root 2. So this is the table which gives all the values. Sine of 45 is equal to 1 by root 2. So this is 1 by root 2. In this way, we have been calculated for all the values of these angles. That is for 0 degree, 30 degree, 45 degree, 60 degree and 90 degree. Only thing is that this table we should have to be remember. So this table will be helpful for solving so many several problems in the future exercise. So here before, see, there is a easy method to remember this one. See here, for only two values we have to remember. That is for sine of A and cos of A. Okay. So for 0 degree, what it is? Sine will be 0, cos will be 1. And for sine of 30 degree, it will be 1 by 2. And this cos of 30 will be root 3 by 2. Okay. So sine 45 will be, it will be same only. That is 1 by root 2 for sine, and for cos it will be same. Okay. For sine 60, it will be opposite of this one. That is, this will be root 3 by 2 and this will be 1 by 2. Okay. So for 90, so this will be 1 and this will be 0. Okay. See here, sine of 0. So these things to be remembered. Sine of 0 will be 0. In the same way, in this way only, we have to calculate all these angles. So here, sine A, that is sine 0 equal to 0, sine 30 equal to 1 by 2, sine 45 1 by root 2, sine 60 root 3 by 2, sine 90 equal to 1. So here cos A 1, 0, 1, this is root 3 by 2, and here this is root 3 by 2. So 1 by root 2, sine 45 and cos 45 will be same only. So sine 30 and cos 60 will be same. So in the same way we have to remember. But for this tan, for tan A, sine divided by cos, that is 0 by 1, it will be 0. So 1 by 2 divided by root 3 by 2, that is 1 by root 3. So 1 by root 2 divided by 1 by root 2, this will be 1. So root 3 divided by 2 whole divided by 1 by 2, that will be equal to root 3. So here 1 divided by 0, it will be infinity. That is, it will be not defined. At least this has to be remembered. Okay. So if you remember this one, all the other ratios can be solved here. Because see, for want of this cosecant A, so just it's a reciprocal of this one. For secant, it is a reciprocal of cos. So for cot, it will be a reciprocal of tan. Okay. So now we'll go for solving this exercise so that we can able to understand better. Exercise 8.2 in that question number 1. See, this table I have displayed here, helpful for this, at least for this exercise 8.2. So afterwards you can able to remember and you can able to substitute the values of all the angles of this sine, cos and tan. So first we will take the first question, that is sine of 60 cos 30 plus sine of 30 and cos 60. So we will go and substitute the values so that we will get the result. Sine of 60, that is sine of 60 means root 3 by 2, and into cos of 30, that is also root 3 by 2. So plus sine of 30, that is 1 by 2, and cos of 60 is also 1 by 2. So this will be root 3 into root 3, that will be 3 divided by 4. So plus 1 divided by 4, which is equal to 4 is the LCM. So 3 plus 1. So 4 divided by 4, which is equal to 1. So the answer for this will be 1. So second one will take. So 2 into tan square 45, that is tan square 45 means tan 45 whole square, that is 1 square. So plus cos square 30, that is cos 30 whole square, cos of 30 whole square, that is root 3 by 2 square, minus sin square 60, sin of 60, this is whole square, that is root 3 by 2 whole square. So this plus and minus will be gets cancelled. So this will be equal to 2 into 1, which is equal to 2. So this is equal to answer 2. So this is third one. So cos 45 means here this is 1 by root 2. Okay. So whole divided by, so secant 30. See here, secant 30 it is not here. So cos 30 you see, this is root 3 by 2. Okay. Just it's a reciprocal of that one. That is 2 divided by root 3. Plus cosecant 30, it is not there. Sin 30 you take 1 by 2. That is 2 by 1. So 2. So this is equal to 1 by root 2 whole divided by, so plus here root 3 is the LCM. So 2 plus 2 root 3. Okay. 1 by root 2 into root 3 divided by, here this is 2 plus 2 root 3. 2 plus 2 root 3. This can be simplified just by rationalizing, that is root 3 divided by root 2 into 2 plus 2 root 3. So rationalizing means we have to multiply and divide the negative term of this one, that is 2 minus 2 root 3 whole divided by 2 minus 2 root 3. This is root 2. So here root 3 into 2 minus 2 root 3 divided by, okay. So here a minus b into a plus b, that is a minus b into a plus b, that is a square minus b square. A square means 2 square, that is 4. This is root 2 outside. This is a square means 4 minus b square. B square means 2 root 3 whole square, that is 4 into 3, 12. So here root 3 into 2 minus, so here multiplication, that is 2 root 3 minus 2 into root 3 into root 3, that is 2 into 3, that is 6 divided by 4 root 2 minus 12 root 2. So this is the answer. So further you cannot simplify this one. Okay. So now we will go for fourth one. So exercise 8.2, in that question number 1, that is fourth option we'll see. So here the fourth option, sin of 30 plus tan of 45. Okay. Minus cosecant 60 whole divided by, this is secant 30 plus cos of 60 plus cot of 45. Okay. The values we will substitute. So sin of 30 is nothing but what? Sin of 30 is equal to 1 by 2. So plus tan of 45 will be equal to 1. So minus cosecant 60. Cosecant 60 here it is not there. So sin 60 you see root 3 by 2. So it is a reciprocal of sin A, that is 2 by root 3. 2 divided by root whole divided by secant of 30, that is cos 30 is root 3 by 2. So this will be 2 by root 3 plus cos of 60. Cos of 60 is equal to 1 by 2 and cot of 45. So tan 45 is equal to 1, cot 45 is also equal to 1. So this we will simplify here. LCM will be 2 root 3 and here root 3 plus 2 root 3 minus 4. This is numerator, and here in the denominator also this will be 2 root 3 is the LCM. So here 2 into 2 4 plus here root 3 plus 2 root 3. Okay. So now 2 root 3 plus root 3 minus 4 divided by 2 root 3 into 2 root 3 divided by 4 plus root 3 plus 2 root 3. Okay. So this gets cancelled. See here 2 root 3 plus root 3, that will be equal to 3 root 3. Okay. 3 root 3 minus 4 whole divided by, here this is also 3 root 3 plus 4. So this can be rationalized by multiplying and dividing the negative term of this one, negative term of the denominator, that will be 3 root 3 minus 4 divided by 3 root 3 minus 4. So here you see this is a plus b, a minus b. So the formula will be a plus b into a minus b is equal to what? This is equal to a square minus b square. Okay. So this we will substitute. So here this will be square. that is 3 root 3 minus 4 whole square. So in the denominator, this is a square means 3 root 3 square, that is 3 square means 9, 9 into 3 27, okay. So minus, so 4 square, that is 16. So this will be here a minus b whole square, that is a square, that is a square means 27 plus 16 minus 2 into 4 into 3 root 3, 2 into 4 8, 8 into 3 24, that is 24 root 3 whole divided by, that is 16, here 11 is remaining. So 27 plus 16 will be 43. So this will be 43 minus 24 root 3 divided by 11. So this will be the answer. Exercise 8.2 in that question number 1, that is fifth portion. So here fifth one, 5 into cos 60. Here cos 60 is equal to what? 1 by 2. That is whole square. 1 by 2 square. So plus 4 secant 30. Secant 30 means cos 30 you see. That is reciprocal. 2 by root 3. This is secant 30. That is square. Minus tan 45. Tan 45 is equal to what? 1. So 1 square. Whole divided by, so sin 30. Sin 30 is equal to 1 by 2. That is square. 1 by 2 square. Plus cos 30 is equal to, that is root 3 by 2 square. Root 3 by 2 square. So now we will simplify this one. So here 1 by 4. That is 5 divided by 4 plus 4 into, that is 4 into 4 by 3. That is 4 into 4 by 3 minus 1. So whole divided by, so here 1 by 4 plus root 3 square means 3 divided by 4. Okay. So this will be equal to 5 by 4 plus 16 by 3 minus 1 divided by here 4. This is 3 plus 1. Okay. So now 5 by 4. This LCM 4 into 3 12. Okay. So 3 5s are 15 plus 4 16 4s are 64 minus 12 whole divided by 4 by 4, that is equal to 1. So here 15 plus 64 minus 12 divided by 12. So this will be is equal to 67 divided by 12. Okay, this will be the answer. Exercise 8.2 in that question number 2. Choose the correct option. Justify your choice. So here first consider first one, 2 into tan 30. So divided by 1 plus tan square 30. So here we will substitute the values. 2 into tan 30 means here this is 1 by root 3. So 1 divided by root 3 whole divided by 1 plus tan square 30 means 1 by root 3 square. So this is equal to 2 divided by root 3 into this whole divided by, okay. So 1 by 3, that is 1 plus 1 by 3. So this will be 2 divided by root 3 into here LCM. So 3, 1 3 is a 3, 3 plus 1 4, 4 by 3, that is 3 divided by 4. So this is equal to, so 2, this 3 can be written as root 3 into root 3. Okay, this is root 3 into 4. So 1 by root 3, 1 root 3 will be cancelled, 2 1s are 2 2s are. So this will be remaining, this is root 3 by 2. So root 3 by 2 means what? This is sin 60 is the root 3 by 2. Okay, because see cos 60 will be 1 by 2, tan 60 will be root 3, sin 30 will be, see sin 30 will be 1 by 2. So this will be the answer. So second one, so here 1 minus tan square 45. See tan 45 is equal to what? This is 1. Okay, so 1 minus 1 square, that is 1 plus 1 square. So 1 minus 1 square means 0 divided by 2, which is equal to 0. Okay, this is the option. So here exercise 8.2 in that question number 2. So sine of 2a is equal to 2 sine of a. This will be true when a is equal to. So we substitute these values so that for which value of a this condition will be satisfied. Okay, for sine of 2 into 0, okay, this is equal to 2 sine of 0, whether it is applicable. See here, sine of 0 is nothing but 2 sine of 0, may not be equal. Let us see this one. Sine of 0 means what? Sine of 0 is equal to 0 only. Okay, sine of 0 is equal to 0. Okay, so this is 0 and 2 into 0, so this is equal to 0. So for this only it will be satisfied. So let us see for this one, sine of 2 into 30, okay, is equal to 2 sine of 30. So 2 into 30 means sine of 60, so is equal to 2 sine of 30. So we will substitute value. Sine of 60 means root 3 divided by 2 is equal to 2 into sine 30 means 1 by 2. So this cancel. So root 3 by 2 is not equal to 1. Okay, this is not satisfied. So this is 45. See, sine of 2 into 45, okay, is equal to 2 sine 45. So sine 90 means what? This is 1 is equal to 2 into sine 45 means 1 by root 2. So here, so 1 is not equal to 2 by root 2. Okay, this is also not satisfied. So this is also I think not satisfied. Sine of 2 into 60 is equal to 2 sine 60. So here 2 into root 3 by 2 is equal to root 3. Okay, 2 to cancel. So sine of 120 means 90 plus 30 it is. So this will be, so sine of 90 plus theta is nothing but this is cos 30. So this is equal to root 3. Whether cos 30 is equal to root 3, see here, this is not root 3. This is root 3 by 2. Root 3 by 2 is not equal to root 3. Hence this is also not satisfied. So this will be the correct answer. So exercise 8.2 in that question number 2, that is fourth option. That is 2 into tan 30. So tan 30 is nothing but here 1 by root 3. Okay, 1 divided by root. So divide by 1 minus 1 by root 3 whole square. Okay, this is tan square 30. So here 2 divided by root 3 whole divided by 1 by 3. This is 1 by root 3 whole square means 1 by 3. That is 1 minus 1 by 3. So here 2 by root 3 into, see here, LCM 3. So 3 minus 1, 2 by 3. That is, this will be 3 by 2. Okay, 2 cancel. So here 3 by root 3 can be written as, 3 by root 3 can be written as, 3 can be written as root 3 into root 3 divided by, this is root 3. So 1 root 3 will be cancelled. So this will become root 3. Root 3 means what? Tan of 60. So this is tan of 60. Okay. So exercise 8.2 in that question number 3. If tan of a plus b equal to root 3, that is tan of a plus b is equal to root 3. Okay. Then tan of a minus b is equal to 1 by root 3. Okay. So a 90 degree, that is a plus b is in between 0 to 90. Okay, means this one. A is greater than b. Find a and b. Okay. So a is bigger. So a is greater than b. Okay. So now you see tan of what is equal to root 3. Tan of what is equal to root 3. See, tan of 60 equal to root 3. Okay. Tan of what equal to root 3. Tan of 60 equal to root 3. So this what means that is 60. So a plus b is equal to 60. Okay. Because tan of 60 is equal to root 3. Okay. And this is root 3. So compare this one. So this 60 is equal to a plus b. So this is one equation. So in the same way, tan of what is equal to 1 by root 3? Tan of 30 is equal to 1 by root 3. That is tan of 30 is equal to 1 by root 3. So this a minus b is equal to 30 degree. Okay. So he has given a is greater than b. So a is greater than b. Okay. A minus b. So this is second equation. So solve for this one. So subtract or add this one. By adding this b will be gets cancelled. So 2a is equal to 90 degree. So a is equal to 90 divided by 2. So a is equal to 45 degree. Okay. So substitution method. Substitute a value in equation 1. Okay. So here. So a value means 45. 45 plus b is equal to 60. So b is equal to 60 minus 45. So b is equal to 15. So a is equal to 45. So b is equal to 15. These are the values. Okay. So here exercise 8.2 in that question number 4. state whether the following are true or false. Justify your answers. So first one we will take sin of a plus b is equal to, that is sin of a plus b is equal to sin a plus sin b. So if it is to be satisfied, let us assume a is equal to 60 degree and b is equal to 30 degree. This is assumption because this should satisfy for all the values of angles. So we will see this a and b as 60 and 30 respectively. So sin of 60 plus 30, okay, is equal to sin of 60 plus sin of 30. So this is sin 90. Okay, sin 90 is equal to sin 60 plus sin 30. So we will substitute value. Sin 90 is equal to what? This is 1. Okay, this is equal to sin 60 root 3 by 2 plus this is sin 30 is equal, sin 60 equal to root 3 by 2. So sin 30 is equal to 1 by 2. So you see here this one, this is 2 root 3 plus 1. So this will not be equal to 1. Hence this is false, because this statement should satisfy for any values of a and b. So second one we will see, that is the value of sin theta increases as theta increases. See, sin theta value, you observe here, sin of 0 is here 0. So for 30 is equal to 1 by 2. 1 by 2 means 0.5. Okay, it increases. So now here 1 by root 2. Okay, sin of 45, 1 by root 2. Root 2 is nothing but, that is 1 divided by 1.73. So here 1 by root 2 means 1 divided by root 2 means approximate, it will be 1.41. So this will be approximately, this is 0.70. Okay, 0.708. Okay, so this is again increase. So sin of 60 degree, this is root 3 by 2. So root 3 means approximately it will be 1.73 divided by 2 means this is 0.16 okay, 8 and 13 means 6, like this. So again it is increase. So sin 90, that is it will become 1. So this is 0, 0.5, 0.708, 0.86, 1. So the value of sin theta increases as the theta increases. This is 2. Okay. So in the same way, the value of cos theta increases as theta increases. I think it will be false. You see, cos theta, this is 1 first. Okay, this is third option. So first it will be 1, that is 0. That is cos 0 is equal to 1. So now cos 30 is equal to what? Root 3 by 2. So root 3 by 2 is nothing but 0.86. So it is decreased. See here what he has given increases. So this will be false. So fourth one, sin theta is equal to cos theta for all values of theta. Wrong. Because see, sin of 0 is equal to 0, but cos of 0 is equal to 1. So this is also false. Okay. Cot A is not defined for A is equal to 0 degree. Because cot's definition is, see here, tan of 0 means what? Tan of 0 is 0. This is tan of 0 is equal to 0. Cot of A is equal to 1 by 0. So this is undefined. This is infinity. So hence it is true only. Okay. Thank you.